the 21st, I believe it is. And we're looking at the gold chart. This is the 4-hour chart, 4-hour time frame, H4. And we're looking at gold. And as you can see here, gold is moving up. Gold has turned bullish after we saw a long drop down. A bearish run there. I'll go over to the chart here and you can see we had a long bearish run. If I zoom out just a little bit, we had 2 weeks of bearish movement on gold, and it looked like everybody's selling gold. After we got almost up to 2,800, got to 2,787, and then it just started to fall down. And we saw a big crash for the last 2 weeks. But on Monday, suddenly, everything has turned around, and now gold is turning bullish. So on the H4 chart, gold is still bullish. And on the day one chart, though, gold is bearish. So we might see a fully bullish signal on gold on the day chart in the next day or so, maybe even today, maybe tomorrow, that we get the full implication that gold has turned bullish again. And then we can start heading to higher prices. But if you started buying gold on Monday, you have done very well. Because on Monday, Tuesday, yesterday, we had a little bit of a correction yesterday during the London session. Then the US session opened and it started going back up again. And it's been going up all day today. We're just getting a little bit of a correction right now. You can see that small red candle there. All right, gold is starting to come down just a little bit. But you don't really want to make any moves now. We have the unemployment news. The unemployment news is coming in about 45 minutes. And we will see what will happen with the unemployment news. If you follow forexfactory.com, you know that the data will come out in 45 minutes. And then we will see whether or not gold is going to continue to move up or move down. We're seeing strengthening of the US dollar. It's now trading on the DXY at 106 and 0.61, 106.61. So we're seeing strengthening of the US dollar. I'll just go to that chart right quick. But since the elections, we've been seeing strengthening of the US dollar with some minor corrections, but generally the dollar is getting stronger. And now this week it's been going sideways, and that has been giving gold a chance to move up to higher prices. So we don't know if the dollar will continue to get stronger. Maybe it will, but it looks like gold is going to continue to go to higher prices. It's definitely very bullish all this week. So whether it will go up a little bit today in the US session or whether it will go down a little bit, we have support here at 2660. That's our first level of support, that blue line there, you see 2660. And then we have the next support level is about 2625 in that zone, right in that zone. So 2660, maybe I need glasses. That's 2650, sorry, 2650. Let me just type that on the chart here so you can see what I'm doing. SU 2650 and 2625. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. 2650 is our first line of support, and then 2625. 2 levels of support. If we break below 2625, then it's not likely that we're going to get a bullish signal in the next few days. But I don't expect to see a big correction today, just maybe down to 2650. Okay, and then we'll see gold start to continue to higher prices. And maybe we'll get back up to 2680 and then maybe to 2,700. 2,700 is a very strong resistance level, but we have been there before. You know, we broke well above that and almost got to 2,800 about 3 or 4 weeks ago before gold started to fall down. But now it looks like gold is bullish. However, let's wait for the unemployment news. Let's wait for the unemployment news. That's in 40 minutes from now, and see what the data is. Remember, if the actual is greater than forecast, that is good for the US economy. But if the actual is less than forecast, then that's bad for the US economy. So whichever way it is, if it's about the same, it's really close, then it won't make much difference. I think we probably see gold will go a little bit higher today in the US session. All right. And now let me put over here just quickly. I want to show you. I don't know if you watch Bitcoin or not. Anybody watching Bitcoin? This is since the U.S. elections. On the day of the U.S. elections, uh, Bitcoin was 69,000, and today Bitcoin today from November the 5th up till today. That's what, 3 weeks. Now Bitcoin is today. It's already hit 98,000, just above 98,000. So it looks like Bitcoin might hit 100,000 today. Don't be surprised. It's going like a rocket. It's unbelievable. If you're holding Bitcoin, you're doing very well. So it might go on up to 100,000, and then we'll see what will happen after that. Maybe after 100,000, then people start to take profit. Maybe it will fall back down a little bit. Bitcoin is very, very volatile. But it looks like for sure we will see 100,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, so I will be doing live now. I haven't done it live Facebook for a long time, but I will be doing it again on a regular basis. And so if you want to follow me on Facebook. And also you can go to my YouTube channel. I'll just put that in here, YouTube channel. You can follow me on YouTube, and it's youtube.com at Rick Ray. Okay. And every week I do a weekly analysis for gold and all of the major pairs. And that is every Sunday I do that video. So you can watch the YouTube channel and see that video, and it will help you to prepare your trades. Now, remember today, this is not financial advice. I'm not suggesting or recommending you take any trades. All right. This is just for educational purposes. And if it helps you, I hope it does. But you need to manage your own account. You used to use good risk management and protect your capital. Whatever you do, protect your capital. Just don't take big trades. Trade small. Grow your account gradually over time. And most important, don't chase the candles. Okay, don't chase the candles. Don't be greedy. All right, so let's wait for the news to come out in about 35 minutes, and we'll see which way gold is going to go. And I hope you have a good session of trading. And thank goodness tomorrow is Friday. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow, same time. Have a good evening wherever you are.